All right, what's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We have a very interesting daily bullish candle here, and I'm going to show you what levels I'm looking at to go long on Bitcoin and a couple of altcoins. All right, what's up, guys? If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and like the video if you want more content like this one. So, guys, I've been away for quite some time. Well, not quite some time, a week. So I got tested positive for COVID, right? So I've been in bed for a couple of days, and then the rest of the week was just extremely tired, just tired every day. So I took a break from trading, took a break from YouTube and all that kind of stuff. But now I'm back, and I want to take a look at Bitcoin with you guys. So today we have like. I'm not going to go into anything, regarding the news with Russia and Ukraine. That's a whole nother video. I'm just going to look at the technicals here, right? So today we have a beautiful bullish candle on Bitcoin, and there's one very specific thing I look at for potential trades on Bitcoin and perhaps some altcoins. So tomorrow when I'm doing my webinar in the Bird Nest, I'm going to have more info on which altcoins I'm looking at. I'm going to do a complete market scan, but that's only for the Nest Club members. So if you're not a member already, you can go to thebirdnest.com/free trial to try it out for free for 7 days, and you can join that webinar tomorrow where we're going to look for some some live trading. Anyway, so we had that nice daily candle for Bitcoin breaking above this level right here, that level being the 39,500, right? So let's put that at 39,500. I think that looks like a good level. Now, what I'm looking at right here is, first of all, we're looking at this resistance area right here. So right now hitting a decent resistance area at around 42K. I'm expecting this to act as resistance, right? So what I'd like to see is for Bitcoin to get rejected here and then start moving lower to the 39.5 area, and I would like to see a bounce in that area. When or if we see a bounce in this area right here at 39.5 K, we could be looking for a potential long if we see a bounce here, right? So let's put on the fibs here as well, and we'll see that if you get rejected up in this area, that will be also in perfect alignment with the 50% fib right on that level. Now, if that happens, we're most likely going to see a couple of altcoins put in nice long setups, right? But for me to go long on those altcoins, it need to be a pullback in a bullish trend. And a lot of altcoins are not in the bullish trend right now, but I've found at least two which I like. And the one I like the most is FTT, right? So if FTT, let's say Bitcoin pulls back down to the 39 or 40K region, and FTT then pulls back to, excuse me, pulls down to the monthly open, right? And then bounces on the monthly open, we have a potential long on FTT, and that's the setup I'm going to be eyeing tomorrow. And on AVAX right here, if Bitcoin pulls back down to 39.5, we could see AVAX pull down to the weekly open or maybe even to the monthly open. But what I'm really interested in is what happens after AVAX breaks above the $84 area, right? A break and retest of the $84 area for AVAX would be a great long opportunity, in my opinion. And that long might look something like this, where you want to go long in a break and retest of 84, and TP1 would be around 90, 97, I believe. That would be a pretty decent 15% move. I would take profit at that level, then move stops to entry, and just let this one run. Now, the interesting part about this move on Bitcoin is the fact that if we do have a break and retest of the daily 20 EMA here and a continuation move to the upside, we have a pretty interesting, double bottom formation here on Bitcoin. And that could be either the beginning of a range or a high time frame bottom, right? So it's really interesting scenario right here where Bitcoin might be putting in a bottom, but we don't really know yet. But if we do see a higher low on the bounce of the 39.5 area, I think it's highly likely that we're going to see that breakout to the upside. And that is why we want to leave some of these positions open. Maybe take 25% profit at TP1 or 50% profit at TP1, and then leave a bigger portion of that position open in case Bitcoin really breaks out. I don't think that's going to happen, but if it does happen, we're going to have some really nice winners. All right, guys, that's just a quick update on Bitcoin. So to sum it all up, look for a retest and bounce of the 39.5 area for Bitcoin and expect the 42K region to act as resistance. Now, if the 42K region, if Bitcoin breaks above that area, you then want to be looking at a break and retest of that area, and especially you should be focused on the daily 50 EMA if that happens. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Take care and see you guys in the next one.